This video shows you how to update your contact information in Connect so that the Department of Economic Opportunity can contact you regarding your claim. Log into your Connect account, go to floridajobs.org, and select Claimants in the top right-hand corner. Read the claimant warning notice, select I acknowledge I have read the above, and click Next. Enter your Social Security number or your claimant ID and PIN, select Login. Click on View and maintain account information. Click on Contact Information. Review your contact information. To edit, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Edit. Make your changes and click Submit. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you have found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.